So we broke our USB port again. And I think I have a better solution. So instead of buying another one, because this is already the third that I broke. Well, I always forget leaving it open when I'm washing the bike. Instead, I bought these. So they're cigarette lighter, car cigarette lighters. And then I bought a ProMate charger. So I use C because I mount my Insta360 here, and having a fast charger with a cable here is actually better. So if you look at the watts, it's 20 watts. Not as advertised, but 20 watts is 20 watts. If I mount it, now that's where my OCD is tickled. So it's not flush. I have two. What I'll do is I'll cut one, cut the top of this, and then glue it together. Let me cut the bottom of this first so we can measure how deep can it go, and then cut this for the remaining part. So we got the other one cut, and it will go as deep as this, and this one bottoms out here. What I want is add this much. So I will cut here so that I won't damage the thread and put the knot easy without any problem, and at the same time glue the bottom part to the plastic and at the same time to the metal. So other part is cut off, attach this like so. So this is the reason why I want this cut here. So at least I've got material, I've got metal to glue this on. So hopefully I measured it correctly. Oh, it doesn't bounce back. Let me sand this a bit. Should have that bouncy thing. That means this has bottomed out. So I think we got the right measurement. So if I push it, so that was what I was looking for. So, moment of truth. Can I still thread this in? Because that was my only concern. Yes, we do. I'll just take off these. Negative is this. Positive is this. Let's test it. There you go. It's charging. Every time I am cleaning the bike, I'll just take this off, or even just leaving the bike outside, I'll take it, close this, finish.